Did you know that eating plums with certain foods could actually harm your health? Plums, which are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, have foods that pair well with them and foods that do not. Even fresh, delicious plums need to be eaten properly to be beneficial to your body. Eating them with foods that do not pair well can actually cause serious health issues, including cancer and dementia. I will tell you about the 3 worst foods to pair with plums and 3 foods that pair best with them. Everyone, what if there was a food that could boost your immune system, support digestive health, and even have amazing anti-disease effects? What if it also helped prevent aging and kept you young? Even if it was expensive and didn't taste good, you would definitely want to find and eat it, right? The food I'm going to introduce today is delicious and affordable, making it cost-effective. Today's star is the plum, a true superfruit. Recently, it has been reported that plums are good for heart health and are being developed as a preventive treatment for brain damage. In fact, eating plums can improve cognitive abilities and concentration, proving to be highly effective in preventing brain damage. But did you know that even a healthy food like plums can be harmful to your health if eaten with certain foods? Now, let's find out together the 3 worst food combinations with plums that can hinder disease prevention and the 3 best combinations for optimal health benefits. So first worst combination with plum is dairy products. Combining plums with dairy products like milk or cheese can lead to digestive issues due to their conflicting properties. Plums, which are acidic in nature, can cause the proteins in milk to coagulate in the stomach, resulting in bloating, gas, and discomfort. Moreover, this combination can hinder the absorption of essential nutrients from both foods, diminishing their nutritional benefits. In terms of cancer risks, this combination is not directly linked to causing cancer. However, dairy products like milk and cheese have been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer and breast cancer. While plums themselves are rich in antioxidants that may help reduce cancer risk, the interaction with dairy products does not enhance these benefits and may contribute indirectly to health issues over time. Therefore, it's advisable to consume plums separately from dairy products to optimize their digestive and nutritional benefits and reduce potential long-term health risks. Second worst food you don't combine with plum is processed meats. Eating plums with processed meats like sausages or bacon can increase the risk of cancer due to a chemical reaction that occurs between their components. Processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which are added during processing to preserve color and flavor. When combined with the natural compounds in plums, these nitrates and nitrites can form harmful substances known as nitrosamines. Nitrosamines are carcinogenic compounds that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. They can damage cells and DNA, potentially leading to the development of cancer over time. The interaction between plums and processed meats, particularly when consumed regularly, may contribute to this increased cancer risk. Number 3, do not combine with plum is sugary foods. Pairing plums with foods high in refined sugar, such as pastries or candies, can spike blood sugar levels, negating the antioxidant benefits of plums. This combination can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of diabetes and dementia. Additionally, the high sugar content can cause inflammation, contributing to various chronic diseases. Consuming plums with sugary foods undermines their health benefits, making it crucial to avoid this combination for optimal health. Attention! Enjoy plums with these delightful and nutritious pairings to maximize their health benefits. First best food you combine with plum is plum smoothie. Blend fresh plums with Greek yogurt, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk for a creamy, antioxidant-rich smoothie. This refreshing drink supports digestion with probiotics from yogurt and provides a boost of vitamins and minerals from spinach and plums. Enjoy this nutrient-packed smoothie as a healthy breakfast or snack to energize your day. Second food you combine with plum is plum salad. Combine sliced plums with arugula, crumbled feta cheese, and walnuts. Drizzle with a balsamic vinaigrette dressing for a satisfying salad packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. This salad promotes heart health, supports brain function, and enhances immune function. Third and last, or most recommended to you combine with plum is plum oatmeal. Add diced plums to your morning oatmeal, along with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. This warm and comforting breakfast is high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and supporting digestive health. The combination of plums with oats and cinnamon also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Thank you so much for staying with me for this extended session. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also share it widely with your precious family and friends. I will always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. Luna. Thank you for